Top 3 best low commission brokers. When you're trading, every dollar counts, and one of the fastest ways to eat into your profits is through high commissions. The good news, in 2025, there are brokers giving traders ultra low or even zero commissions without sacrificing performance. Today, I'm ranking the top 3 best low commission brokers. By the end, you'll know exactly which one saves you the most money without cutting corners. Number 3, Fidelity. We start with Fidelity, a household name in investing. Fidelity has made commission-free trading standard, offering $0 commissions on US stocks and ETFs, plus $0 minimum to open an account. The big advantage? Reliability and trust. You're trading with one of the largest, most respected brokers in the US. Fidelity also includes powerful research tools, financial planning resources, and fractional share investing starting at $1. The downside? While stock and ETF commissions are free, options contracts still cost $0 and 65 cents each, and margin rates are higher than some rivals. Who's it for? Long-term investors and casual traders who want zero commissions on stocks, a strong research platform, and the security of a legacy broker. Number 2, Robinhood. At number 2, we have Robinhood, the app that started the zero commission revolution. With Robinhood, you pay $0 for stocks, ETFs, options, and even crypto. That's right, options trading is free here, which is a huge draw for active traders. The biggest advantage? Simplicity. The mobile-first design makes buying and selling incredibly easy, and fractional investing lets you start with as little as $1. It's a no-frills approach, but that's exactly why millions of traders love it. The drawback? Robinhood has had its share of controversies, from outages during high-volume days to its reliance on payment for order flow. Advanced traders may also find the tools limited compared to professional platforms. Who's it for? Beginners and casual traders. If your priority is zero commissions and a simple app to get started, Robinhood is still one of the lowest cost options out there. Number 1. Interactive Brokers, IBKR. Taking the number 1 spot is Interactive Brokers, and here's why. They not only offer IBKR Lite with zero commissions on US stocks and ETFs, but also IBKR Pro with ultra low tier pricing for active traders. With Pro, commissions can be as low as $0.0035 per share and $0.15 per options contract, depending on your volume. That's some of the cheapest pricing in the industry, adding direct market access, global trading in 150 markets, and professional level tools, and you get a broker that doesn't just cut costs, it maximizes performance. The trade-off? IBKR is not the easiest platform for beginners. Trader Workstation is built for professionals, and navigating all the features can feel overwhelming at first. Who's it for? Active and professional traders. If your strategy relies on high-frequency trades, low commissions, and global access, Interactive Brokers is unbeatable. Final recap. So here's the lineup. Fidelity is perfect for investors who want zero commissions on stocks, plus a legacy broker they can trust. Robinhood is ideal for beginners who want a simple app with zero fees across stocks, options, and crypto. And Interactive Brokers takes the crown for active traders, offering the lowest commissions in the industry with global reach and pro-level tools. Remember, commissions may seem small, but over hundreds of trades, they can add up fast. Choosing a low commission broker is one of the smartest ways to protect your profits. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more. This video and all the content on this channel are for informational and opinion purposes only. They do not constitute financial, health, or professional advice.